In this guide, you'll learn how to sign into New York Times. Let's get started. First, launch your preferred browser. In the search box, type in New York Times login. Now, different website links will appear. Navigate to the very first one, website option. Just click on it. You will be directed to the official website of it. From here, you can easily log in or create an account. All you have to do is click on the option Continue with Google or Apple. Go ahead and select the option of your choice. I'm gonna select Google. In this page, you're gonna find the Google accounts that you are currently using in your device. In case you wanna use new account, all you have to do is click on the option Use another account. Provide your account's credentials, email or phone, and the password. Then click on Continue. Now check in for this option, agree with terms and conditions, and click on Continue. And just with that, your account will be created. So this way you can easily sign into New York Times. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.